What up, guys? I haven't vlogged in so long. I'm slowly here doing laundry, packing, and my aunt's about to help me organize. Justa, down the stairs. Hello? Where are you guys? So, as I was saying before, I haven't vlogged, you know, because if you follow me on Snapchat, you know your girl's been busy with school and stuff like that. I've officially done my first year of nursing. It was hard work and dedication, but I'm so happy that I'm done, and I'm just happy to get this little break. For those of you who don't know, I am going to Jamaica for the summer. I will be vlogging all summer, and I'm also doing a back to school event. Well, it's not a back. This year is a summer kickoff, so it's something for the kids once they're done school. It's gonna be their summer kickoff event. It's kind of like the back to school because I still do have back to school supplies, but I also have a lot of toys I'll be giving away. Same water slide, jumping castle. We're trying to get a merry-go-round, face painting, music, free food, treats, ice cream, all that good stuff is gonna be there. So I'm just here trying to pack. Today is Saturday and I leave Monday. I've been super busy this whole past week. And yeah, I've just been packing and trying to organize stuff. I'm still meeting up with people and they're giving me stuff. But I'm like literally overweight right now. So Air Canada allowed me to carry 3 free suitcases because I'm doing like humanitarian work. But like the amount of stuff that I'm picking up from people, I'm overweight. Like I have so much stuff. I don't even know how all this is gonna fit. So yeah, this is what I'm working with so far. This is literally all knapsacks on this side. There's stuff in the knapsacks that I had to put because they wouldn't fit. So like there's stuff in them. And then I have all of these, which is like all toys, and there's toys underneath. I have this on the floor. I have a bag over there that suitcase is already packed. It's like leaning on one side, but there's just so much stuff. And I don't know how I'm gonna get all this down. And my aunt's gonna help me figure something out. Yeah, I am. And I still have all this stuff that has to go in. And I have all of this stuff to go in. So I don't know how I'm about to fit all of this. Don't know if I'm overweight right now, but and it's gonna help me figure it out. I do have some people that are coming down, so I might have to give a girl like a carry-on or something to bring. And then 2 of my other friends are coming down as well. But we'll see what happens. I'm literally like freaking out, but it's okay. We'll figure it out.
These are cute. Oh my gosh.
The fans?
Yeah,
I know, right? There's someone sent me them.
Oh my gosh.
You can put with these ones you can put water in it.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Yeah, and then she also sent me like
Damn.
that's like 17 knapsacks, and it's just like they're just taking up. Literally, they took up one whole side of the suitcase.
Okay, where are you packing into? Not just this, obviously.
This is already packed with stuff. As I said, I got a lot of stuff, and then someone mailed this yesterday. And where's the other box? There's 2 boxes. That box too. It's freaking knapsacks, man.
How many cities do you have so far?
No, we're gonna be able to do this. There's space still. Look at all this space.
What's the problem?
Okay. We're gonna
What's the
see
problem?
if rolling is better.
Oh, all that needs to fit in still.
We're just gonna see. Oh, stuff.
And they're cute bags.
Yeah, they're so cute. And they gave you 17?
I know.
Awesome.
We're gonna have to raffle them off because anyone who like does this stuff, they'll get one, but then there's gonna be extra ones. We're doing a soccer tournament and then there's a talent show.
Aww.
So they automatically get.
Oh look, it rolls better without the
bag.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get rid of this plastic bag.
Where's the camera? So yeah, I have 17 knapsacks. They're all so cute.
Yeah, they roll so
and
much
Paw
better
Patrol is
like
like
this.
a big thing down there, so I know the kids are gonna love this. I feel like someone needs to hold it.
Yeah, someone needs to hold it. Or you know what? Do we have anything to? I guess not. Yeah, rubber bands would be good.
Oh, the rubber bands that I have, they're too small, but they're great. Here, I'll hold them.
These are all kites. So are like prizes?
Yeah, we're gonna give out like 3 raffle tickets, and they win stuff. Like literally throughout the whole day. And there's a big water slide, merry-go-round, trampoline, and a jumping castle.
Oh wow.
The struggle is real.
It is, I'm starting to sweat.
You always sweat easy.
I hope when you land they don't open all these back in first then, because then you guys unpack them all back because they'll be so sweet.
I will. They better not try to charge me or anything. Freaking charge it, so. But I've never been searched before. Should I put some over here?
No, let's pack up this side. Well, let's see.
Yeah, because you have a lot. Are those all those the backpacks right there?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have one?
Really?
Or just like,
For what?
I don't know.
Have anything for me?
Those are going in? Where are all these things coming from? It's just
Most of these
more
are
and
in the
more.
knapsack, but people gave me this. Wasn't there one more bottle right there?
These stuff like this we should tie up. These
Okay.
definitely have to go down.
Let me go grab all the rest of them.
Where are you gonna put your own clothes?
The struggle is real, my friends. The struggle is real. Look at all these things we have to bring down. Jamaica, here they come. She's coming. What's her name again? Future Coldest. Future Coldest. She's the best. Future Coldest is the best.
Oh, is there a camera there? Oh, I did not know there was a camera there.
Wagwan. We're packing up, ready to go. Okay, stop. I'm gonna get out of here now. We're coming to Jamaica. I'd like to thank all the supporters for coming out tonight and supporting GoFund.
Thank you.
Future Coldest. You guys are awesome. Look at all this stuff. We got 17 knapsacks, a whole bunch of teeth brush, all kinds of toys. Marbles. Oh, she's coming back.
Like these white houses, you think they're gonna use these?
No.
They're gonna use these. You think what else?
Are you videotaping? You guys always do that. Jeez.
Oh, it's called the knapsack
Break
shirt
so
now.
easy.
Here, come knapsacks are unrolling.
Oh, we'll tighten them up. We'll tighten them up. And you want the toys in the package.
Yeah. Should I? Does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
Which toys?
What toys?
Like these?
You feel like it will be less space if they're out?
Yeah. Does all this paper? Oh,
So
no,
like
you could
this?
just bend it. You like them in the package, don't you?
I don't really care because we're probably gonna put them apart anyway.
Keep them in the package. Oh, that's yours?
I think mine's at home.
I just hope they don't break.
Can we do it?
Yeah, this cups are gonna break so easy. Fit?
Oh yeah, we gotta get this car in there. I was just worried it's gonna
Break?
Well, the knapsacks will protect it. Is it down? Yeah, put that in that spot.
Yeah, those two can fit in here.
Put it right here.
Here, when I had the fidget spinners, the way how they were so fascinating, like all the kids would come stand up like this and just watch me spin it. And I'm like, what the hell?
You guys are gonna be so cool down there. Got some cool fans.
I know, look at this.
So you have to put that part in your vlog.
Well, that made my teeth so cold just now. I was grinning so hard. But it's something to take this thing, guys.
Oh, it spins.
It's a little water bottle.
Oh, that's so cool.
Little spray.
Oh, it sprays like it
This is what
sprays
Tracy
water.
needs, because you always sweat, Tracy.
Yeah.
Just go like this.
You feel good for real?
Yeah, man.
You know what? Oh man, I got a drug. I'm gonna have to take one of these home with me.
Oh, yeah, it does feel
Seriously.
good. At work? Oh,
yeah,
this would
me
be
too.
perfect at work.
We all
Can
made
you
a
imagine
taxi.
pull it out? Can you imagine
what?
working in the back of McDonald's and Justin just pulls that
You
out?
know, I really would.
Bro, imagine being in a taxi like,
You should have
Ah,
perfect in the taxi.
I should tell them, $100 fan, $100.
Huh?
So stupid. Oh, it works.
That just looks good.
Okay, no, this. Okay, so you know what? The fans can go here, and we can cover it like this with one.
The weight though. Saw the pens and stuff over there.
Yeah. This side actually feels lighter.
Yeah. But I remember when you close it, it's like one weight.
Yeah,
anyways.
I know.
Should we close
Okay,
it?
let's see how much it weighs.
This is it. God, I hope they don't give me up, It's not like I'm selling them. But they're extra, like they will friggin' tax you for every shit.
Yeah, they're gonna tax you. They're gonna harass you, question
Listen,
you.
this is free stuff I got donated to me.
But don't you have like proof that it's a GoFund
I
thing?
have it on my phone. That reason, but I have the app.
Next.
Did it come off? Oh, it came off. Let's go. Oh, wait.
Oh, good. It's 49.
Yes, 49. That means we can
Good.
try to fit the fans in.
Let's get the fans in. Gotta try and get all the toys in. Perfect.
Shit, and we forgot a bag. Oh my gosh.
Wait. Get those two fans.
Is it broken? The things we do for the youth, them. Nothing getting left behind.
Nothing. Everything must go. Whew. Ready? No.
51.
51.
Okay.
Is that good?
That's good. Usually they allow it, so.
Okay.
Alrighty, we're done. Thank you, Tracy.
You're welcome. Oh my god. Oh, the soccer bags.
I'll just
You
put
said
it
put it in the bag, right? Can't leave the soccer.
Then packing. Suitcase number 1 and number 2 over there. Shout out to my aunt for helping me. Now I just gotta go edit some videos that I gotta edit, and tomorrow is Sunday, and I guess I'm ready. Yeah, so I'm about to go do some stuff right now around the house, so I'll see you guys in a bit.